So what is epifluorescence? Epifluorescence is a type of lighting. It's actually a thin bandwidth of light, and it's about 489 nanometers to be precise. And it's hitting this root, this plant root right here, and it's actually exciting it and causing it to glow. And that excitation, that is a release of energy that is visible, and that we can recognize it, we can track it, we can see how strong it is, we can see how full of an inoculation it is. You can actually see in the inoculant before you add it if it has propagules, roots, because the roots, if they're inoculated, will still be glowing. It'll be dried, so it'll be a little bit different color, but it's still glowing. Our roots need to glow with our buscular mycorrhizal fungi fully, because 80 to 100% is a full inoculation. So it's very easy to evaluate. It's like, are they glowing all the way? Do you see hyphae? Do you see spores? Do you see this life cycle happening? Yes, yes, yes. You've got a full inoculation. But I inoculated last year. Good. That means you're now regenerative, because it goes through the life cycle of the roots to the next season over winter. So this is why no-till is so effective at retaining mycorrhizal fungi. But you can actually still till as long as you're planting your cover crop or the next crop immediately into that root zone where those broken up mycorrhizal fungi and roots are immediately. But if you want to overwinter, best practice is a crimp, cover that, protect that, preserve those roots so that when you do it at the end of winter in the early spring, those seeds or those transplants, depending on your operation, meet those old roots that are still inoculated with the fungi, the mycorrhizal fungi, and they're senesced. They're waiting for the new root, and as soon as it arrives, they inoculate it, and that's the life cycle. The spores of mycorrhizal fungi are actually in case there's like an ice age, in case there's a meteor, in case things go wrong in the geological sense. They're not to just pop the next year. They're there for long-term stability. So they put those out, they put them out as insurance, but it's the roots. So you can look at your roots with this machine. And right now you can get up to 40% off of this machine when you sign up for Regenerative Soil Microscopy, where I teach you all my methods, where you get to learn in small group setting, where you get to do group work and lab work live, and to use the microscope camera to share what you're seeing, and then you get to see what other people are seeing, and then we rotate the group, you see a new group, rotate the group, you get to see another group. So over a dozen examples for the theme that week, whether hot compost or vermicompost, you get to see. You get to develop your eye. There's no other program like it, and it is the cutting edge. So I hope that you join us there. I'm Matt Powers. Grow abundantly, learn daily, and live regeneratively. And epifluorescence is amazing. You can also see algae turns blood red under this. There's so many applications that I'm just scratching the surface. Epifluorescence is amazing. I hope you join us.